Why she always trying to get me to do it? Stop, man. Dang. Why she always trying to get me to do it? That's why. It ain't coming out the way you want it because you ain't them. What are you talking about? Because you want me to do a picture you see, stop putting that shit on me, man. Dang. I'm finna make it. I ain't finna play with shit.
Gutta gang, what they do. It's your girl Shay so Gutta.
And it's your girl Chynah Unique.
And today we are back with another lit video. Baby, tell them what we getting into today.
We will be doing a Aventura hotel tour. Today is our anniversary. So happy anniversary, love. We don't have much planned today. Unlike last year, we was lit.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to just chill. Get a peace of mind, really.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Head in here and give y'all this tour. We haven't even seen it, so we are gonna take you guys with us. So I don't know if I said outside tour. If I did, I'm sorry. What I meant to say was we will be doing a
Outside of the room.
Yeah, outside of the room tour of Aventura.
It's lit. Y'all see how the doors open when queens walk through?
So,
You want to start over?
no, that's the way to the room. So they have a Universal store over there. I don't want to put the camera on people who don't need to be on camera, but it is a Starbucks. They have a Starbucks. And they have a food place. Oh, this. Oh, babe. It's a fly on there. Right here. Don't get your hand. Oh, it is a fly. Y'all, they got flies on their stuff.
That's why we come prepared with our own.
Yeah, that's why we bring our own food. Because they got flies on their stuff. Oh, there's no microwave. But it's nice. It's alright. It's alright. Ain't much. Oh, look, babe, they got an ice cream bar. Honey peach. What that is? It look like they have a pizza bar over there too.
It's always a lit situation.
Ooh, they have to be.
Oh, anybody in the pool? We should have came to y'all be big.
I know before it started raining. So, as y'all can see, y'all seen a little bit of that. I mean, it wasn't really nothing to see. This hotel, it ain't nothing like Cabana Bay.
Yeah. We ain't never showed them Cabana Bay when we went before.
We wasn't YouTubers either.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I gotta be the one to do what? Feel ya? Hey. Hey, hey, hey. 'Cause I will always. Hey. Shay so good. Hey.
They have games, outside pool. They have Connect 4.
Wanna play?
Yeah, we can play, set it up. What is this?
I ain't never seen no hockey thing. I seen the pool. Oh, they got the foosball one over there. I ain't never seen no hockey thing like that. Wow,
Child, she don't know what she doing. Babe, what's this? Oh, I can't play this at all. Nah. And then they have this one.
your side. Here's some things I have in mind. I tell you if you have the time. First of all, I got to be everything you fucking need. I got to be your ecstasy, and I'm not talking sexually. Mentally, emotionally, my feelings take control of me. Your heart is where I wanna be, so baby, take a hold of me. Let me show you how I am. Strategize and build a plan. I love the fact we started friends, so when we start, it never ends. Time is never being wasted. I appreciate your patience. If I haven't told you lately, I love you, girl, so don't you play it. I'm gonna be a bunch of shit. We turning heads and hella lit. Buying jets and taking trips. Family pics, whipping jigs.
Go right there.
I'm strategizing, baby.
I feel like I won already.
Nah, you didn't. You go ahead and go. You're running out of options. Been trapped. Where you went, right here?
Yep.
Oh,
Come on, man. The camera rolling.
I know. I'm trying to see.
We're gonna have to go take this kids off.
Give it up,
Guys are good. Very good.
Give it up. I won.
How?
I won, girl.
How?
Roll the highlight reel. These guys are good. Very good.
I'm not funny.
Stop throwing people stuff. Where you went at?
You should have paid attention.
Nah, stop cheating, bro. Where you went at?
I ain't cheating. I went right. Not cheating.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Doesn't get any better than this. Now, they said she don't know why I turned the camera off because she's about to win. But do y'all see this? Remind y'all, I'm yellow. It's her turn as well. Either way, she finna lose. You cheater. Either way, she lost. Either way, you lost. See what I mean, y'all, about her cheating? Get your shit. Come on, babe, stop cheating. Boom. Connect. 4. Hold on.
And you got this.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, hold on. 4. 4. And it was my turn. Oh no, it was your turn. Go.
You already won.
It don't matter. Hold on. 4. Either way. I Come on, let's go eat. I'm hungry. I won. So we'll be back. Oh shoot. That's the fireplace, baby. We should come out here tonight.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah. And then got the pool behind us. But we are hungry. Time to go get some food.
What food at on the very top?
Yeah, but let's go
Another
to the
food
second
place?
floor
Okay,
real quick.
let's go to the second floor.
So I'm gonna tell y'all what I like about the elevator. Which one you think gonna open? I think this one.
I
That
think
one.
that one.
Or that one. Uh-oh, it was that one. You getting in there with him? Based
Oh,
on
this is where we just came from.
Oh, sure is.
So now we're getting into the elevator. Bae's gonna show y'all what her favorite part is.
Well, I just like this. Like, everything is technology at this resort. And it's touchscreen. It's really cool. Look, baby.
Oh, we on the second floor.
So,
We're about to, all I see, oh, boom. Oh, we ain't show y'all what the hallways look like. We'll show y'all when we come back out though.
yeah, this is like a clean, smooth look. Let's see what smell like cigarettes in here.
It do.
This is like one for the restaurant. So this is really dope. But I like that it's a shower in here. Like you can take a shower after you work out and stuff. But I would just go back to my room.
Right.
I wouldn't, you know what I'm saying?
They supply the soap, shampoo, body wash, conditioner. They got 2 shower heads. Oh, they might be for handicapped people.
And they have a blow dryer.
Oh, look, baby. Come here.
Look.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I like the color that it's green. What is that? The hub.
V-Hub.
Okay, so we need the key to get in. They have the key. There's no one in here right now. Ooh, now this is nice. Maybe we should have came in this morning.
I'm still coming. That somebody had to be you.
This is so nice. Everything. Oh, we gotta come get our workout on here. I want us to do a workout video. You most definitely can. Well, yeah, so this is the fitness and it's nice got the TV over there. What up? What is supposed to be? I don't know what's something like this. Oh, okay. I'm like, it's supposed to be. I don't know what's something like this.
They supposed to be here though. Oh.
Okay, we got our key.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, do you? I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh no. I guess you got to be. I don't know. But they gave us tickets for this right over. Whatever it is. We just gotta go ask them. Or we gotta read the tickets. That looks nice inside.
Mm-hmm.
We can go eat and then come back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it for now until we go get us some food.
The next day.
Good morning. Gutta gang, what they do? It's your girl Chynah Unique, and Bay is in the bathroom on the shitter. Let's go see what she doing. Hey, baby.
Hey, they say if you beat your knees, the boo-boo come out fast.
Girl, you a man.
Gutta gang, what they do? It's your girl Shay so gutta.
So,
Can I get my phone?
today is...
Oh, hey!
Oh, can't nobody see you, girl. Today is checkout day. What you want? Oh, dang. How many of y'all, comment down below if y'all use the bathroom with y'all phone. I think that's about everybody.
Right.
So we are back, different day, same vlog. Today we will be checking out. It's time to go. It's bittersweet, but on to better things. We have to work so we can take more vacations when it's time. The next vacation will probably be, who knows?
Right.
There's no telling when the next vacation will be. We're in the process of trying to move right now, so there's no telling. We just did this for our anniversary. My birthday is coming up in December, so we do things for birthdays, as y'all already know. But today we will be going to the 17th floor, the rooftop of the hotel, to give y'all that because we didn't give it to y'all yesterday. How you feeling?
I feel 5 pounds lighter.
Bro.
I do. It's bad too.
Good. How you feeling since yesterday?
I don't find it cold.
I asked you a question.
I feel good. Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, blessed and highly favored. How are you?
I'm great.
Yes, just enjoy yourself to the max.
Yes.
Most definitely.
What happened to the lock?
Okay, so that's going up, but we need this one.
Yeah, we trying. Yeah, we got off of that one, so it's not that one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this goes to 17.
But push it. It's not gonna click on it.
No, it doesn't.
All right. We might as well
It's
just
like,
go
you know,
down.
One that goes
Oh,
to
try this
17.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Thank you. Come on. Ooh.
Where are you from?
Where we're from? Here.
Here.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
Denver.
Denver, Colorado? Okay.
You're in high school?
No,
we
thank you for the
graduated-
compliment.
We graduated like
over 10 years ago.
Over 10 years ago.
Oh, you look like you're in high school.
Oh, man, thank you.
Thank
I
you.
majored that.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, we're pushing our 30s.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Don't even look like it. That's a good thing.
Thank
All right,
you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. We look young.
Yes, we do.
That's why we need to stay fit in the gym. I guess we're gonna walk from the 16th floor.
Okay.
Now, where the heck the stairs at? You said we gotta have a stairway, right?
Yeah, go right there.
What?
Right there, what he just went through.
Oh. Good
Is this the
morning.
place to get to the stairs?
I'm sorry,
Stairs?
I...
Is the
17? Open for.
4
Okay,
p.m.?
open
Open
at 4
for.
p.m.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. So we wanted to show y'all the 17th floor because it's the rooftop of the hotel and it has like an open bar and things like that. But we will be gone by 4. So, we'll just go back to the room and end off this vlog right here.
Right here, right now.
So we'll see y'all when we get to the room.
Peace.
Everybody is so friendly at this resort. I mean, this hotel.
Even though guests.
Even the guests, the janitors, the techs, everybody is just, yeah. Everybody is so, I strongly recommend this hotel, like for real. I really do. But we are all packed up and ready to go. Bittersweet.
For real.
It's bittersweet. Right, baby?
Yes, it is. Very much so.
Ooh, we ain't make up the bed.
Look like some shit. Like, damn, that bed, boy.
Nah, normally I just, whenever I leave a resort, a lot of people be saying I'm doing too much, but I get it from my big sister. When you leave, you strip everything and leave it in the pile. So, that's the housekeeping job. So what? I slept there, not them.
Right.
So that's what I like to do. So that's what we're gonna do. Cause y'all just never know. They might probably just leave it on there. You know what I'm saying? Which is nasty. But we don't know. We will never know. We come here. You know, just help out. They over there got all the towels and stuff. Yeah. We can do that one when we take the stuff off, unless you want to do it now. All right, babe, you want to end off the vlog? Yeah. Before we do.
All right, so. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, turn on those post notifications, follow us on all our other social media. All the links will be in the description down below. We had fun hanging out with y'all, but right now it's time to go ahead and close out the vlogs as far as Aventura. But we do got more content that will be coming for y'all. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, turn on those post notifications, and follow us on all our other social media. We got pranks and everything on Facebook, so make sure y'all go find us and y'all go like it, share, comment, support. We love each and every last one of y'all. That's the end of it. Y'all already know who it is. It's the Guttas. We love y'all, like I said, so we're gonna close it out. Peace.